They say business is hard. I agree. But if you ever run a business in industrial world, then you know it's not just hard, it's brutal. Hello everyone, this is Raj from Radical TechArt, your process automation strategist. In retail, you handle customers every day. In services, you manage timelines and talent. But in industrial business, you are dealing with multi-core machines, production lines that run 24 by 7, client whose downtime cost lakhs per hour, supply chain stretched across continents, and one small delay, one wrong sensor, one failed controller, and you are not just losing revenue, you are stopping someone else's livelihood. Since India's post-industrial boom in the 1950s, our factories have driven GDP growth. But here's the reality. Even in 2025, 80% of the industrial procurement is still offline. Skilled workforce shortages remain in the top 3 concerns for manufacturers worldwide. The leap from Industry 3.0 to 4.0 and now towards 5.0 is happening faster than most companies can adapt. In this space, survivors aren't just entrepreneurs. They are problem solvers, crisis managers, and innovators under pressure. When I started Radical TechArt, I learned this the hard way. In consumer markets, a bad product might get you a bad review. But in our world, a bad product can shut down an entire production line. We don't just sell products, we sell trust. We sell the confidence that when your factory's output is on the line, we will deliver. Yes, industrial business is harder. Sales cycles are longer, client demands are tougher, and margins are thinner at first. But the relationship you build here, they last decades. The solution you create, they keep industries alive. And the impact you make, it cultivates quarterly numbers. So, if you are in this space, then embrace the grind. If you are thinking about entering, then prepare for the challenge. Because in the industrial world, you don't just build a business, you build the backbone of the nation. And that's why business is hard. But the industrial business, that's where legends are made.